I don't know the total plan for the day, but it's definitely going to start with slabbing a bunch of hoop stock. Bill's wrapping this one up to come off the board. I'll be working on some hoops. I know we got a set of painted red, a set of dyed red, a set of painted black, and then probably go for whatever's the oldest.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and knock out those old repair jobs.
So that'd be the fabrication on the Premier Snare and that little metal drum.
Yeah.
We'll see how far we get. Got the hoop sanded, but I would be remiss not to catch this event on camera. Look at that. A clean table? Yeah, all by yourself? Man.
With startling frequency.
Refrigerators? Got 25 hoops. I guess we're gonna find out how many yoga balls we have.
Yeah. We have a lot of yoga balls. I'm not sure how many we have that will inflate this size hoop though. A lot of the ones we have are too big.
We were finding that not all hoops were built equal, so we decided to fit a few. I got paint on the second hoop, dye on that set. So now we're back into glue business. I've been taking way too much time making a mount for this giant paper roll for the workbench. Now I gotta cut off the overhang of the pipe. Bill's gonna cut some wooden discs in a while so we can cap it. He's over here trying to make this little drum playable. Ever seen someone burnish a bearing edge? Well, yes, but create a bearing edge by burnishing?
Yeah, right. That's the way this shell's made. I couldn't figure out any other way to do it, but this seems to be working.
Yeah, try to put a router bit on that metal, not a good idea.
Bad news. And it's so inconsistent, but this way I can just kind of follow it, and it worked pretty well on the other side, so see what happens. I'm getting there.
Every time I see you spinning a drum on this thing, I think back to the stave shell that exploded and wiped out my plumbing pipe.
wiped out my leg.
I mean, I had to replace a sewer pipe. Might need a bigger pipe cutter. Nailed it. All right, maiden voyage. I expect the paper to rip and then one side to fall off.
I'm gonna laugh.
Well, that was me. I scored it with a razor.
Oh yeah, you can cut there.
Woo! Look at that! Yeah. Paper roll works. Got it taped down to the ends for now. The more elegant solution will be to recess a couple magnets and then do a metal strip. Bill's idea. I'm gonna saddle soap those ears. He's gotta tuck some heads, I think.
Yeah.
Got one of them tucked.
Yeah. Trying to find where these super out of round parts sort of fit together.
You try the other hoop?
No, because I want this to be the snare head, but
Oh.
if it doesn't fit this side, I could pop it off and put it on the other side. It's just a... Oh, well, actually this one's worse, so it doesn't matter.
You're probably gonna have to persuade it either way.
That's not bad.
He's cleaned up all right though.
Yeah, those look good.
Tell you what doesn't look good. Round 2 of paint on this hoop. Because as I was spraying it, oh, dust landed in it multiple spots. Gotta roll with it. Let it dry, sand it back a bit to get those out and hit it a third time. So I might as well hit this one a second time. Is that calf or goat?
Calf. It's a little thicker than I want it to be, but it's the thinnest I could find. I mean, it's fine for the top, but this is the snare side head, and it's like it's pretty inconsistent, but it's like in the range of like 7 to 9 thou thick. And I would like it more if it was like 3 to 5, but I'm not even sure if like 3 thou skin is like a thing. But I definitely had some that was like 5 that worked pretty well as a snare side head.
Calf skin. Calf. So is it coming off out of the veal industry?
I guess. I always kind of wondered about that actually.
I mean, because the adult cows are coming in as sides of leather, and they're
Yeah.
a lot thicker.
Yeah, I actually really don't know hardly anything about like leather and rawhide and how it's produced or any of that. I know I like the way calfskin heads sound, and I do not like having to frickin' tuck them on foot hoops. Also, I don't love how they completely change with the humidity or lack thereof. But what are you gonna do?
Looks like they're making a condom for a very unimpressive elephant.
Kind of does. Didn't condoms used to be made out of some kind of animal skin?
Probably sheep.
Yeah, I think they were like sheep intestines or something in the beginning, right?
Where do you think they got that idea from?
Lonely farmers.
Lonely farmers with oversized boots.
There it is.
That's a wrap. One drum did get done today. The Marine Pearl was sound checked, drag roped. It's off the board. A lot of things started, pushed along. This should be wrapped up tomorrow, so that's a long time coming. And the Premier's just waiting on some hardware that was ordered and will come in by next week.
Yeah. And gotta decide what to do about the snare guards on that. I'm gonna make new ones or try and fix those, but that's no big deal.
And then these poop shows, deal with them tomorrow. We out.